Phil from Woodsmith. There's a time in every project where things are ready to come together. It's the thrill of the assembly, not only because you finally get to see the hard work pay off in seeing your project take shape, but once the glue goes on, the clock is ticking and you really want to get everything aligned and locked down in the clamps. Now, choosing the right glue can make that job easier for you. And I want to look at three of our favorites, Titebond Original, Titebond 2, and Titebond 3 for what it has to offer you. Now, for both Titebond Original and Titebond 2, you get about 10 to 15 minutes of assembly time. So that's plenty of time for simple assemblies, glued up panels and things like that, where you can spread the glue, get the clamps on, get the pieces aligned and everything locked down. For more complex assemblies, you want something that's going to give you a little bit more time. That's when I turn to Titebond 3, where I have 20 to 25 minutes of assembly time, so that if I have a lot of pieces coming together all at once, I know that I'm going to be able to get the results that I'm looking for. Now, once you have your project in the clamps, you really want to keep moving, even though you know you need to wait. Now, it's best if you can leave the assembly sit for a good 24 hours for the glue to set up and get its full strength. But let's be honest, we all want to keep the process moving. That being said, if clamps and time are short in your shop, what you can do is leave the project in clamps for a good half hour. Longer is always better, but then you can take the clamps off, set it aside, and use those clamps for another assembly. Now, don't stress the joints of the pieces that you have glued up yet, but you can move on to other stages of the process. That means your project gets done quicker and you can have confidence in knowing that it's going to turn out just right.